Previously on Illumina's history with the Korean War.
38th parallel, border of North Korea. Enemy Reds would make their stand there. In Korea, United Nations troops push on in the cautious advance against the communists.
We learned that Korea was ruled by the Japanese, and after World War II, with the Japanese surrender, Korea was divided along the 38th parallel. On the north, with the support of the USSR, and on the south with the support of the USA. Kim Il-sung emerged the leader of North Korea, while Syngman Rhee became the leader of South Korea. Both of them had plans to unify Korea by any means necessary, including force.
조선 정부 대표단이 모스크바에 지금 도착한 것은 조선민주주의 인민공화국과 소비에트 연맹과의 사이에 정치적, 경제적, 문화적.
Finally, Stalin granted Kim the permission he needed to invade South Korea when this happened. International communist movement seemed to be winning on the global stage in 1949. Number one, the Soviet Union finally achieved atomic parity with America. This means that America didn't have political leverage over the Soviet Union because both of them now had nuclear weapons. Number two, China turned communist in October 1949. This happened after Mao Zedong, the leader of the Communist Party, defeated the Kuomintang, and China proclaimed itself as the People's Republic of China. And this brought about the signing of the Sino-Soviet Treaty of Friendship and Alliance between the Soviet Union and China. On the fateful day of 25th June 1950, surprise invasion launched by North Korea on South Korea caused the Korean War.
June 25th, 1950, the communists strike. After 3 years of preparation, the Soviet Union and its North Korean puppets were ready. Troops and military equipment poured down from the north.
With that, President Truman believed that the domino theory was coming into effect, that if South Korea actually fell to the communists, next target would be Japan, Philippines, and so on. The United Nations was expected to play a huge role in this because its credibility would be at stake. It needs to show that it could preserve international security and bring about peace, especially after World War II.
Obstacles, United Nations forces drive on to the 38th parallel, border of North Korea.
Of course, there's more to this chapter than just in this video. If you'd like to learn more about the Korean War and other chapters in your history textbook or social studies textbook, you can always join our fun and interesting classes here at Ilu. Squeeze his head.
Oh my god!
Squeeze his head.
Wait, I deserve to squeeze his head. Hey, we also have. Let's go. Yeah.
Last question.
Okay, so the last question is, who was the US president that met Kim in Singapore?
Wow.
Donald Trump.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, so now you get to squeeze him. Oh my goodness. Okay.